Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we put corporate jargon on notice. Today we're diving into a filing from Huntington Bankshares Incorporated, a bank that is always busy making moves. So let's see what is cooking behind the scenes. Alright, so the big news today is about dividends, specifically on Huntington's preferred stock Huntington. Announced on the 12th of December 2025 that they are declaring a quarterly cash dividend on their 5.70% Series I non. Cumulative perpetual preferred stock, and this is equivalent to about 35 cents per depositary share. The payment date is set for the 2nd of March 2026, and you had to be a shareholder of record by the 15th of February 2026 to get this payment, think of it. Like this, they are giving a little bit of profit back to the folks who have invested in these specific types of shares. Now let's talk about the shares themselves. Huntington has a few different types of preferred stock listed here, like the Series H, Series I, and Series J plus their common stock. These stocks are all traded on NASDAQ, which is a major stock exchange. We see a few different preferred stock types listed here, like the Series H preferred stock, which they represent with the ticker symbol HB, and the Series I preferred stock with the ticker HBAM, and the Series J preferred stock. With the ticker HBAM, then, of course, there is their common stock traded under the ticker HBAN. This shows a company with a pretty diversified capital structure, offering different investment opportunities to different types of investors. So looking at the grand picture here, Huntington as a financial institution is signaling stability and a commitment to its shareholders by consistently declaring these dividends, while this particular filing is quite focused on this dividend announcement, and not a deep financial report. A regular dividend payout is usually a good sign that a company is financially healthy and expects to remain so in the near future. It tells investors that management is confident in their ability to generate enough profits to cover operational costs and still have money left over to reward investors. What is really interesting here is that this is an other events filing focused on a specific event rather than a broad financial update. This means something notable happened that they needed to report promptly. In this case, the dividend declaration, this isn't a report where we'll find a ton of detailed financial statements, but it gives us a snapshot of a key action taken by the company's board of directors. When we look at preferred stock generally, it is a bit like a hybrid between stocks and bonds. It usually pays a fixed dividend similar to bond interest, and those dividends are paid out before common stockholders receive anything. These preferred shares are important pieces of a company's capital structure. They provide funding without diluting ownership as much as issuing more common stock would. The filing also mentions an attached news release as Exhibit 99.1. This is essentially the official announcement of the dividend declaration. Companies often do this to ensure the information is publicly available and transparent. We can infer that this press release elaborates on the dividend details and likely reiterates the company's financial strength. Now, for my take on this, Huntington is showing a steady hand by continuing to pay out dividends, especially on their preferred stock. This is a signal of confidence in their financial condition and their ability to manage their operations effectively. While this filing doesn't give us a full financial statement to pore over, it is a positive indicator of their commitment to shareholders and their overall stability in the market. The fact that they are paying a dividend on multiple classes of preferred stock suggests a managed capital structure and a consistent approach to shareholder returns. It is a sign that even if there are market fluctuations or broader economic challenges, the company prioritizes rewarding those who have invested in its preferred shares. So what is the takeaway here? Huntington is a solid player in the banking sector, and this dividend announcement reinforces that impression. They are taking care of their investors, and that is always a good thing to see. You know the drill. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more corporate decoder insights. Don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description, for even more discussions and analyses. See you in the next one.